What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. And I'm going to talk to you today about a undercoat product that is very, very good. Now, here's what we have. A battery tray that was all rusted out, and I already coated the other side. I should have left it raw, and then I was like, oh man, I could have made a video out of this thing. So here's what we're doing. We're working on this 67 Chevelle project. I got the motor in, and I took out the battery tray because I wanted to get in here. All of this was undercoated, as you can see, before I dropped the motor in. I wanted to get all the undercoating on the back firewall and back under there, the frame. So that's all done. But before I put the battery in, I was like, let me take this tray out and wire brush it down and give it a coat of undercoating. So down here, we still have to wire brush out, clean out, and then give it a quick coat. But I'm going to show you how we do the tray here with a product called TITE Seal. Now, I've used a lot of undercoating products. Duplicolor had a brand, Bondo brand had an undercoating brand, but you want to make sure to get the paintable version because the paintable version gets dry. Okay, there's a non-paintable version that basically stays tacky and wet, and you don't want that, all right? You want to get the paintable version. This way it dries really, really good. Now, I picked this stuff up from eBay. They sell for around $10 to $12 a can, but you can get lucky like I did. I just picked up a 4-pack for 20 bucks. I don't know if it was a mistake, but literally $5 a can, which is really, really cheap. So I got this stuff on eBay. Like I said, you might want to check out eBay because it's really, really cheap and it's a very good product. I'm going to show you how I sprayed this. So all I did, here's the battery tray, right? You can look inside. It's all coated really, really well. This product on the bed liner of this mini truck is not that. It's actually Raptor liner by U-Paul that I used on here. It's more of a thicker coat, heavier duty for bed liner. I like this stuff a lot too. But if you're doing under the car wheel wells, battery trays like this, or just rusted out areas under your car, this stuff is perfect because all you do is shake and shoot. Super, super easy. All right, so I'm gonna show you a quick little demo. We're just gonna spray the back of this. All you have to do to prep it, you can spray directly over rust like that. You just get a wire brush and you clean it. Okay. You clean it really well, blow it off. You could wipe it down with some lacquer thinner and a wet rag, and then basically just give it a couple of coats. So let's go ahead and give it a couple of coats after we blow it out. And on this project here, we want to get it running. That's the main thing. Later on, after it's running on the road, we can take apart the front and properly paint some of this. Maybe this is going to be like more like a gloss black. But check out our battery tray. As you can see, it used to be all rusted up. Now it looks really, really nice and coated with our undercoating. front and back. Now we can bolt it back in and have a solid sealed battery tray, as well as the back side of the radiator support here. It's nice and covered, sealed from the weather and the rust. And that's pretty much it. So again, hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye. And you just want to make sure before doing any kind of spraying to tape up your wires. Whatever you don't want painted, make sure you tape it up. Like here, our back of our light bulbs. And after it is painted, you could just go ahead and remove the masking tape to show off your cool new bushings. It's nice and dry, came out really well. All we did was brush it down with a wire brush and give it a couple of coats. You can see how heavy duty this stuff is. It's very thick, it dries really well. It's paintable. If you want to paint it, you can put a 2K primer or even a 1K primer over that and paint it if you wish. I like the black look under my hood here on the 67 Classic. You can get deals on eBay. They're usually 10 to 12 bucks a can. I got a 4-pack for 20 bucks, which is a super deal and really good product. It's Tony here. Please like, share, subscribe. Check out learnautobodyandpaint.com to learn more auto body and paint information. Talk to you soon. Cheers.